believe that's a 6-foot fence. Not positive, but I think it's 6 or 9. This is the top of one of the bridges here. We'll walk down slowly here and show you. This is the canal part. And like I said, you can't really see very well from my house, but the canal and the river run together. Not normally. They have the same towpath in between, only we're lower down there. And there are other people here taking video. I'll walk on this side first and then I'll move to the other side. Ooh, looks like a branch came down. There we go, southbound Brook. Here, I may as well give you a good shot. See if we can zoom in here so you can see what it says. There you go. Okay. See, we can't walk any further here, but the water is deep. Definitely not like this normally. Okay, we're gonna take a little walk across the bridge and show you the other side.